Hello, Paul again here from M.G Motorsport. We got this VW Golf that we fitted the new tensioner and the new alternator one-way clutch on top there. As you can see there, that's a brand new one-way clutch there and a brand new tensioner. So now we're going to start it up and see to make sure it doesn't bounce around compared to the other video we had earlier on. I showed you. Start up. That's how the tensioner should sit. Start up. Start up one more time. Turn it off. So the noise is gone already, so the tensioner is sitting properly and running properly and how it should be. So the actual one-way clutch, free running pulley on the alternator was causing the belt to slip back, and then causing it to bounce back and forth. Okay, so that's what this car sorted. So we can actually put everything back together and then under tray back on whatever we took off, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.